Find sine inverse of the number 0.23456. With the calculator, round to 5 decimal places. Okay, notice that this number, 0.23456, is in the domain of sine inverse. That's the interval between -1, closed interval, and +1, closed at both ends. Thus, our answer is defined. Otherwise, we wouldn't have an answer. It would be undefined, but this one is defined because the number lives in the domain of the inverse. Let's find it. We're going to put our calculator in radian mode. Then we run the sine inverse of 0.23456, and we'll round our answer and get approximately 0.23677. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do another example. Find cosine inverse of 0.75. Okay, notice that this number 0.75 is in the domain of cosine inverse. That's the closed interval between -1 and 1. So we can run it through our calculator. Cosine inverse of 0.75 is equal to approximately 0.72273. And finally, let's find sine inverse of 1.1. Okay, well, notice that this number 1.1 is not in the domain of sine inverse. Remember the restricted domain for sine inverse, that's -1 to 1. Therefore, the answer is really quick. The sine inverse of 1.1 equals undefined. It doesn't exist. And we're finished. Always need to check to make sure the number that you're taking the inverse function of is in the domain of that inverse function.